What up, fam? Today it's mama versus daughter burping. Who gon' burp the most? Let's see. While she up here eating. Look, I thought these were so cute, y'all. These are so cute. But here we go.
Wait,
I hope mine don't bust. Well, I ain't trying to waste it on me.
You gonna try to waste it on me? Wait, we ain't start yet. We really
I mean, you still supposed to. No. I got 2 burps in.
Wait a minute, it got stuck.
That's why I'm saying. When you be eating all that stuff, like you really need to have like an empty stomach to me, and you can have a burp.
3 burps.
I hope y'all count, cause I'm a miscount.
4 burps. Okay.
Y'all, the camera cut off. Stop, Javion. Stop messing with him.
Stop.
I don't know how many burps.
Oh my God, it always gets stuck.
I don't know how many I had. But I hope y'all count, cause I ain't.
Can they see me?
7 burpees.
What's up, fam?
He in the back.
With my McDonald's.
You sure did.
Eating on him some Mickey D's.
Fresh too. Mark that on my calendar.
Yeah, I'm a. You losing, you trying too hard, and plus you ate. When you eat, it's hard to burp, like, cause your stomach be full of stuff. Like, I ain't.
Some people.
Well, not I can't. I can burp and eat, but not like. I still got a lot more left. And these did come in a 6-pack. She trying too hard, y'all. She lost. What, you want to drink some water?
They got their Coke, I got my Gatorade.
Who won, y'all?
That's the way you work that one.
Like I said.
Team Unicorn or Team Miss Ease?
Team what?
None.
Team what?
None.
What you say?
None.
Team Miss Eve.
Miss Ease.
Sound like you said unicorn.
I did.
Yeah.
Me. So, you guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And
turn
share.
on your post notifications.
Hit the bell, share.
Hit the bell, share.
And always remember to be happy, y'all.
Big.